In the quiet kitchen, Tom was dreaming of the biggest catch of his life.
This cheese is mine, no matter what.
Looks like you're the dessert now, Tom! Once again, Jerry outsmarted Tom, leaving him soggy, sticky, and very frustrated, but the chase will continue tomorrow.
Did you enjoy the story? Tap like you pet and subscribe for more fun stories.